Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have Ford Explorer 2007, 2006, 8, 9, 10. It could be the same. This car here, I'm gonna start it for you. The car is start. We changed a computer with a used one, but if you notice after the car start, we have the ABS light is on. And why is that? Because configuration error. There is no VIN number written in the engine computer. Means that they took the engine computer from another car, they put it here, and they only program the security. They do parameter reset, they program the security, and now we have that light on. Nothing is working. Everything is work fine, but that light is on. So what is the solution? The solution is we have to program the computer itself with the right software. I have here ideas. I'm gonna click on ideas. Be sure you have internet, and then I will click OK. The car will run all the time, but you have two problems. The ABS light will come on, VIN mismatch, and if you are in a city that they need a VIN number to be correct, you're gonna fail the VIN number. So this is another car. I did it last time, but this is 2006. But the car I have, if you see the VIN number, 1745. What is the VIN number here? The last VIN number? VIN? Yes. Because I did one 2 days ago.
Last three?
Yes, last three.
179.
179. So this is not the one, because I did 2006. I will close this, and he will ask me, do you need to do any configuration? I will say delete the session. I will delete the session here. I will say yes. By the way, Mr. Faisal 2023, Mr. Faisal 2023 from Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. If you are watching this video, I see you tried to call me for 2-3 days ago. My cell phone touch screen freeze. The sensor messed up, so I cannot call. I cannot get all my information. I will get my phone today or tomorrow. And also, if you are in Riyadh, please look for Faisal 2023. He's a very good on Ford system. It will help you with all the information you need on fixing your car. I'm gonna see later for Java update, and I will click OK. And for all the people try to reach me, my phone that I used to work with it is not okay. So today I may fix it, and then we take it from there. Please subscribe, share, and like, and also thank you for your support. Here, this computer is work for Explorer, Sportec, and Mountaineer. My car is Explorer, so I will say okay. I will show you now. Is it May 2007 or May 2006? Because they're all the same car. I will say yes, May 2006. You see, my car is running fine. I'm going to turn this one off. Ignition on. I just want to do this. I'm gonna say yes. I'm gonna say okay, yes. Maybe he asked me for VIN, but I'm gonna wait for that. The VIN you see right now, 2007 May Explorer. I'm gonna click here. And do you want to do diagnosis? Yes, I'm gonna do the diagnosis to see what is what code I am getting. Also, after 15 minutes the car shut off. We want to be sure that there is no problem. This phone is not clear on videos. I'm gonna change this one also soon. I have a lot of codes. It may help the customer, but let's go ABS. You see module calibration failure on the ABS. I have this code, and that's not because the module calibration, but because the system is different. Another code, VIN mismatch. And then I have a generic electronic module. Those are electrical codes. You can get it from here to know what happened. Elimination switch, then a PAM, parking module 8. Let me go down a little bit. Now I have some code on a PCM, mass airflow meter circuit intermittent, EGR circuit intermittent, EGR sensor follow, P600. This car here, internal control main processor performance. Wow. Then I have a key. I have throttle actuator system. This car have wiring issue, I believe. You see here PC, maybe say internal processing unit. Those are pending code. EGR system, EGR sensor tulo, internal control module main processor performance. I'm getting all these codes, but anyhow, let me go here, and I gotta go to programming. Click next. What do you need to do? Module programming installation, PCM. Go to next. Ignition on. Turn the ignition off. Why? Because it may turn the ignition on. It may ask you VIN. Is this VIN correct? I will say no because I don't see no VIN. Okay, can I get the VIN? Can you read the VIN for me, please?
Full VIN.
I put the VIN numbers, and now I'm going to say yes. This is, I click yes, maybe, okay. VIN enter was not correct. Make sure 17 digit. Okay, let me go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this VIN, it look like something wrong with it. I remember last time why. Okay, I changed the letters. Wow. Okay, let me see something. Copy. I did it this way. He says it's not correct. Okay. Let me try to figure a two-way. I will come back.